Is your vehicle's dashboard looking dim, flickering, or even going completely dark? This isn't just annoying, it could be a sign of a bigger issue. Hey everyone, today, we're diving into why your dash lights might be dim, dark, or flickering, and more importantly, how you can fix them. First up, let's talk about the usual suspect, battery issues. A weak or dying battery can cause dim or flickering lights. Corroded terminals can interrupt the power supply. Solution: clean the terminals using a wire brush and a mix of baking soda and water. If the battery is old, consider a replacement. Next, check the fuses and wiring. A blown fuse or a short circuit can cause the dash lights to go dark. Loose or frayed wires can lead to flickering. Solution: replace blown fuses and secure any loose wires. If unsure, consult a professional to avoid electrical damage. Sometimes, the culprit is simpler than you think, the dimmer switch. Accidentally turning the dimmer switch low or a malfunctioning switch can cause dim lights. Solution: adjust the dimmer to see if the brightness changes. If not, the switch might need replacement. If your dash lights flicker when accelerating or decelerating, your alternator could be the problem. A failing alternator may not provide consistent power, causing flickering lights. Solution: test the alternator output. If it's not within the recommended range 13.5 to 14.5 volts, consider replacing the alternator. Lastly, a malfunctioning ECU can also cause dash light issues. ECU or electrical system glitches. If the ECU isn't functioning properly, it can disrupt the electrical flow to the dashboard. Solution: scan for error codes using an OBD scanner to diagnose and reset any ECU issues. If you've tried these fixes and the issue persists, it might be time to visit a mechanic or an auto electrician. Complex electrical problems can be tricky and even dangerous if not handled correctly. And that's it. Now you know the most common reasons for dim, dark, or flickering dash lights, and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and car repair guides.